Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen and I'm back again. Shout out to all my new subscribers out there. I appreciate y'all. We closing in on 700. So if you're new to the channel and you like making money, you like crypto, you like trading stocks, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button and I'm going to keep y'all posted on what's going on in these crypto markets and these stock markets. But for today, we're going to talk about crypto.com, aka Coin, because right now it's at about 68 cents and it has been consolidating. It's been consolidating for these past few days. And that's a good sign because we could be forming a strong level of support. But it's something I want to show y'all and compare it to give y'all a better idea and maybe the possibility and how much further this thing can go. Now, we already know what Coinbase and crypto.com are. They're two platforms where you can go in there, you can trade cryptos, you can buy cryptos, you can send cryptos. But if you looked at cryptos.com market cap at this point in time, it is only at $17 billion. Now, if you go to Coinbase, and if you look right now, Coinbase market cap, if you look over here in this right-hand side, it's at $61 billion. So in order for Crypto.com to catch up to Coinbase, it'll have to nearly 3x. But you have to keep in mind that Coinbase, at one point, when it first IPO'd, it opened at like $430. It's in a downtrend because a lot of the stock market right now is pulling back with fears of the new virus that's going around, or new COVID strain. So it's always something new coming around. So the stock market is pulling back on fears of that. But with that being said, crypto.com is steadily up here just chilling. It's look like it's maybe forming a level of support, but like I said, it does need to break out to the upside of the downside after this consolidation. And as it gets closer to this red directional line, SMA line right here, we will see either it will bounce or it will drop low and give us a better dip buying opportunity. But based off of the market cap alone, when you compare it to Coinbase, it's still a good value buy because while Coinbase has been around longer, it has been more established, it is more known, Crypto.com is no slouch. It is coming up. Keep in mind that the Staples Center was just renamed Crypto.com. That's where the Lakers play. If you actually go to crypto.com and you actually use crypto.com, you will see that there's more features and more incentives for using crypto.com. I mean, they actually have their own cryptocurrency that you could buy and trade, and this is coming from somebody who has crypto.com, who has Coinbase. And I started off on Coinbase, and I'm sitting here telling you right now with my personal experience, there is more on crypto.com. This is not an opinion. You can buy more cryptos on crypto.com than you can on Coinbase. They also have different reward features for actually using crypto.com. If you buy a certain amount of Chronos crypto.com and hold it for a certain period of time, you can actually get one of their credit cards and get incentives like money off of Spotify, I believe, maybe Netflix as well. I have to go back and verify that. But there's a lot of incentives for using this as well. And you could argue that at some point, crypto.com can surpass Coinbase because you can go to crypto.com right now. You can see they got the NFTs listed on there. The promotion is out of this world. It's growing rapidly fast, especially on the App Store. It's coming up very quickly. If you go to the Twitter following, you'll see it's at 1.3 million. Coinbase is at about 4.1 million. But crypto.com is actually a cryptocurrency. It's not trading on the stock market. It's trading in the crypto space. So that's even better, in my opinion. So with that being said, even though it's consolidating right here, I still like this play long term. And I'm giving you something to compare it to. You know what I'm saying? So if you feel like Coinbase is good, which I do have some Coinbase. I will say I do have some Coinbase as well. But crypto.com definitely has some room to grow in my opinion. And if it does for some reason pull back and come down lower, that'll be an even better dip buying opportunity because as you can see here, it ran from about 19 cents below sub 19, 15 cents all the way up to 99 cents, you know what I'm saying? And now you got to pull back from 99 cents to get in at around 70. So that's giving you a little discount right there already. So that's a very good sign. Now, the next part of this I want to share with y'all is VVS Finance. Now, I shared with y'all in my last video that I had staked some VVS finance. I had staked some of my crypto.com, my Coin, and get some VVS finance to get this liquidity pair right here. And after a couple of days, I have seen some pretty solid returns given the amount that I put in. You know what I'm saying? That is absolutely really great. Because if you think about it this way, right? If you have some crypto.com and you stake it, you will earn some VVS in the meantime. So if you're staking it in crypto.com, it's consolidating, especially while it's consolidating or going down, you're still earning on it. Even though the price of crypto.com is going down, you're still earning some VVS. And VVS right now is trading at around, I believe it's like 0.0014. That's the range it's been around. It's been there from 0.0014 to about the 0.00011 range. And it only has a market cap right now of 193 million. So, like I said, if this thing does run, if it does take up at some point, because understand VVS Finance is it's still very, very early in the process. And if we're stacking up this VVS Finance and it does run passively, we're not even at this point, we're not even adding it on our own. I'm just staking it, you know what I'm saying? Not to say that I won't add some more VVS Finance just by buying some more, because I still want to have a bit more from just so if it does run, I want to have a certain amount in my mind mentally. So I'm like, okay, I'm good. Now I can just let this thing stake, and that's all I need. But that's where I want to be at. I want it to be a completely passive play at a certain point until Kronos, aka Crypto.com, breaks out. When this thing breaks out above $1, momentum play. But if it breaks down and gives us a better debt buying opportunity, it's an easy debt buy for me. It is a win-win-win across the board for me. You know what I'm saying? That's how I see it. That's how I'm going to play it. And then it could be a win for y'all as well. But understand, I'm no financial advisor. I'm just letting you know what I see, what I'm doing, and my actual experience with it. You know, I'm not just coming over here talking to y'all as if I'm not in these plays or I'm not doing it. If I'm talking about it, I'm in it. And if I'm in it and I'm winning from it, I want y'all to benefit from it as well, because it is not hard to do. It is not hard to do to get this, earn some passive income, to get some crypto.com coin and let this thing go, especially in comparison to Coinbase. I know a lot of people are on Coinbase right now. We see this thing is getting absolutely destroyed right now. I'm not even going, it hit 370, and in a matter, since November 10th, it's December 2nd, and it's in an ugly downtrend right now. 280, it's at 284. This thing is coming down very, very hard, almost as hard as it came down over here. But like I said, I know a lot of y'all in the crypto market, you got to pay attention to what's going on in the stock market too, because that can give a very good sign of what may be going on, and that could translate over to the crypto market at times. Because a lot of things going down in the stock market, a lot of the big whales might pull some revenue from the crypto market and pull that back as well, So just got to keep in mind, pay attention to what's going on. But I'm still big on crypto.com. I still like VVS Finance. I still believe it could 100x, really more than that, to be honest with you. Definitely knock off some zeros. So, this is a chance for you to get in early on something. Like I said, nothing is a guarantee at this stage because it's early, but it's just the fact that we like it. I mean, there's a lot to like about it. There's a lot of documents you can check. You can see everything that you want to see in the documents and read up on it. If you don't understand what VVS Finance is, which is just another decentralized exchange with automated market making, trying to remove the middleman from the process, which will save you a lot on fees. And at the end of the day, if you want to switch out cryptocurrencies, it'll save you a lot on fees, and it's definitely something that you would want to know how to do at some point. Really, the sooner the better you learn how to transfer crypto over, because I know while there are a lot of people who watch these YouTube videos or my YouTube videos, and they know probably even more than me, a lot of you probably do, but there's probably way more people who's never even sent the crypto transaction, but who holds crypto. Some people are pretty kind of nervous because they might lose it, and it's important to understand how to do it right. So I always advise people, if you're starting off, start off with a small amount just to transfer, just to make sure you understand the process right. You send things to the right wallet, because you do not want to just send a bunch at once and then lose it forever because you've never done it before and make a mistake. That's a good word of advice that I want to give to y'all. But right now, VVS Finance, it's looking good. 193 million, still early. It's still in a very good low price opportunity, low market cap opportunities to have a good run. But when Crypto.com runs, we could see that run as well. But we will definitely pay close attention to this one. And over these past days, it's looking very good. But we got to go to the weekly as well. 1 second. Let me get over to the weekly. And if you look at the weekly, we still have a nice inside bar of consolidation of this previous week. So that's honestly a very good sign as well. And even if you want to go to the monthly, like I said, when you're in doubt, zoom out. It's still looking pretty good. It's still looking very, very good. It's still inside there. Could come down a little bit more, but hey, like I said, in all honesty, this is the first big run we've had. So if you look at it from this perspective, the first big run we had and we pull back down, the second run we get should definitely go past $1. You know, after it breaks past that point of resistance, then it should be clear skies for us to reach new all-time highs, obviously, and that would be a very good sign for us. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Until next time, Densky out.